And this is one of the most crazy dish that I've ever eaten. This is a pork skin with fat. Welcome back to the video channel. It's me, Ed Kuzmin, and I'm in Thailand, in the old town of Phuket. And right behind me, there is an iconic place. This place is one of the most authentic and traditional here.
What we doing? Time to try and create in another city. Yeah, we about to take off the digital nomad, and you know what he bout. This is the Beetle. Hey, the Beetle channel. It's the Beetle. Yeah, the Beetle channel. Let's go.
That is crazy.
Yeah, the Beetle channel. Let's go.
So basically, guys, you choose the seat. The vendors trying to sell you their goods. I've chosen this one, and we're gonna try something really crazy today. It's a dry Hokkien noodles, shrimp here, pork, eggs, noodles. Okay. I have some kind of dumpling here as well. Some, I don't know what is that. Oh wow, it is sweet and refreshing. Actually, I asked if I'm supposed to pour it down into my noodles, this stock, and she said yes. So I did it. Hokkien dry Thai noodles, the ancient recipe. Look at the egg. Let's break it down to see the egg yolk running. Oh, it's not that running, but still. Oh wow, look at that. I mean the colors, the textures. It is really flavorful. Rich. That is really nice. Here we have, thank you, dried tofu and pork rolls with some sauce. This place is one of the most authentic and traditional here. Fried tofu. Let's dip it into the sauce. Oh, it is so hot, so hot. And the sauce is spicy. Oh my god. Well, it's like lava. Okay, never mind. So the fried tofu with this sauce is really a crazy thing to try, because it is absolutely unexpected texture. Thank you. And this is one of the most crazy dish that I've ever eaten. This is a pork skin with fat. Oh my god. This is one of the most scary in terms of textures and colors dishes I've ever seen. And I'm gonna try them all right now. So here is the pork skin, and this is pork ears. That is crazy. That is crazy. Oh my god. Hello? Yeah. Let's pay. How much for all of this? 170 baht for all. 240. 240. Thank you. 240 for 4 dishes. 3 of them are scary. 1 of them are just noodle soup, the ancient recipe. All right. I've never tried this one. Thank you. What is this?
Fish ball.
Fish ball. Okay. So now I know. This is a fish ball. It is so smooth. Okay. It's interesting. With some noodles and some pork. And here we have some kind of dumpling. Okay. The noodle soup is really good, flavorful, rich and deep. We're gonna try it. Not spicy. But now the most scary moment has just come. Oh my god. And I'm gonna try pork skin or pork fat with skin, or I don't know. Let's dip it into the sauce. Look at this. Oh my god. No, I'm sorry guys, no. I'm sorry. I cannot handle that. Okay, let me try another thing. Like a pork skin. No, sorry. I cannot handle that. I cannot handle that. That is crazy. This is like looks like a liver. No. No, I cannot handle that. That is crazy. Sorry guys, not my thing. What about pork rolls, fried one? Yeah, I can handle that. This is like deeply fried meatballs, way too salty. I don't like that, but the texture is fine. It's crispy and it's tender inside. Not juicy, but just very tender. So guys, pork rolls, skin, liver, fat of the pork, and dried tofu. Tofu is the least disgusting here because of it has a really pleasant texture and crispy outside. And all the three sauces, they are the same. They're very sweet and sour. Pretty good. If you want to try something crazy, go here. 240 baht. I have plenty of other videos about Thai cuisine, different restaurants, different street food. Subscribe to my channel, and here we go. Let's make our food journeys a little bit crazy.
Yeah, the Beetle channel, let's go.